Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Tokyo Marine gas blowback MP7. We have installed the Nineball inner barrel, which is the 6001, so the 145.5mm. We've put in the Nineball hot rubber, and we've put in the EagleSix 5mm nub in there to put the extra pressure on it so that we can obviously lift those heavier ammos. We've set the gun up for 3.2s, and we tested it to about 65 meters, and it's all ready for just demonstrating that it's working after we've installed all the bits and bobs. So. So all functioning, and we hope you enjoy. Any problems, let us know. Thank you.